Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I made these cute carrot patch cakes. I use these silicone flower pot cupcake molds from Lakeland. If you don't have them, you could always use some large cupcake cases or muffin cases. But if you would like to take a closer look at them, I'll leave a link to them in the description. I've made the carrots using just orange sugar paste, otherwise known as fondant, but I've also made them by strengthening the sugar paste by mixing it with a little CMC powder. This makes the sugar paste stronger and allowed me to push the carrots into the cakes without damaging them. So I'm going to show you both ways of making them, one with and one without the CMC powder. So to begin with, I took about 30 grams of orange sugar paste and formed it into a cone carrot shape. So the whole process of making the carrot is exactly the same with just normal sugar paste on its own, or whether it's got CMC added to it. Next, I took a round-ended spoon and just pushed it into the top to create an indent for the leaf later. If you made any finger marks on the top, just roll it and it'll smooth it out. Then I took a cocktail stick and I gently marked little lined indents all around the carrot. Once I had made all my carrots, I left them overnight to air dry. So the next day, I added an extra effect to my carrots to make them look like they were covered in soil. To do this, I simply brushed some cocoa powder into the indented lines. If you're using the sugar paste without the CMC powder, you don't have to worry too much about the end of your carrot, as that will be cut off later. To make the leaves, I took a marble-sized piece of green sugar paste and formed it into a little mushroom shape. I then flattened the larger end into a circle and cut it into two. I then shaped each one into a leaf. I trimmed off the other end and then just shaped it smaller. You want to make sure that it will fit into your pre-made holes on the carrots. Once I was happy it was going to fit, I put it to one side. I trimmed the chocolate sponge down to about 1 centimetre from the top of the flower pot case. If you've made your carrots with just the orange sugar paste, the next step is to cover the top of the cake with some chocolate buttercream. Next, take your carrots and cut off the end before placing it into the middle of your cake. Just push it down slightly. Next, I used crushed Oreo biscuits, which I just spooned around the outside to look like soil. Lastly, I just use a little bit of water to stick in the pre-made leaves. So if I've made the carrots using the CMC powder, I prepare the sponge by putting a hole into the sponge using the back end of a spoon. I then covered the sponge with the chocolate buttercream just as before. I then take the carrot and then push it down into the middle, trying to find the hole. And I then finish the carrots in exactly the same way as before. I really hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to check out my other ones. Please comment, like and subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.